First impressions matter, especially when it comes to your home. In Metairie, where neighborhoods blend classic southern charm with modern design influences, curb appeal plays a huge role in how a property is perceived. One of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades homeowners can make is installing picture windows. These large, fixed-pane windows do far more than let in light. They completely transform the look and feel of a home from the outside and the inside. A clean, modern look that stands out. Picture windows instantly give Metairie homes a clean, contemporary appearance. Their wide, unobstructed glass panels replace busy frames or outdated window styles, creating a sleek focal point on the home's facade. Whether your property leans traditional, mid-century, or modern, picture windows complement a wide range of architectural styles. From the street, they add balance and visual interest, making your home look more updated and well cared for. For homeowners looking to refresh an older exterior without a full renovation, picture windows are a smart, high-impact solution. Enhanced natural light boosts exterior appeal. While picture windows are often praised for brightening interiors, that light has an exterior effect too. Homes filled with natural light feel more open and inviting, even from outside. During the day, picture windows reflect the sky and surrounding greenery, giving your home a polished, vibrant look. In the evening, softly lit interiors visible through the glass create a warm, welcoming glow that adds instant charm. This visual warmth is especially appealing in Metairie neighborhoods, where curb appeal often blends aesthetics with hospitality. Framing views instead of blocking them. Metairie properties often feature beautiful landscaping, mature trees, or well-kept front yards. Picture windows act like a frame, showcasing those views rather than interrupting them with grids or moving parts. From the street, this creates a sense of openness and connection between the home and its surroundings. If your property overlooks a garden, courtyard, or scenic street, a picture window turns that view into a design feature, making your home stand out without feeling flashy. Increased perceived home value. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, it directly affects how valuable a home appears. Picture windows give the impression of thoughtful design and quality upgrades, which can elevate your property's perceived value. Buyers and visitors alike associate large, modern windows with energy efficiency, style, and comfort. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, improving curb appeal with picture windows is an investment that pays off in pride of ownership and long-term value. Seamless pairing with other window styles. One of the biggest advantages of picture windows is their versatility. They're often paired with operable windows like casement or double-hung windows, creating a balanced and functional design. From the outside, this combination adds depth and symmetry to your home's exterior while maintaining ventilation where needed. This layered look works especially well for Metairie homes that blend traditional layouts with modern upgrades. Low-maintenance beauty for busy homeowners. Because picture windows don't open, they have fewer mechanical components, which means less maintenance over time. Their simple design stays attractive longer, resisting wear and keeping your home's exterior looking sharp with minimal effort. For homeowners who want lasting curb appeal without constant upkeep, picture windows offer beauty and practicality in one package. Picture windows are more than just a design trend. They're a powerful way to elevate curb appeal, brighten your home, and make a lasting impression. For Metairie homeowners looking to enhance both style and value, picture windows are a clear choice that delivers visible results from the moment you pull into the driveway.